Module 4 of Isometric Spaces has officially arrived. In this 3.5-hour free bonus tutorial, we're building a fully animated Wizard's Workshop from scratch. You'll learn how to create self-opening books, floating candles, magical particle systems, and realistic smoke simulations. Whether you're looking to master retro-style isometric animations, push your Blender skills further, or finally just move past the donut tutorials, Isometric Spaces is built for every skill level. With 4 complete modules available now and even more free bonus content on the way, the value of the course just keeps going up. Speaking of value, right now you can get my standalone courses for 50% off with the code QUICK50 at checkout, or for an even better deal, you can get a bundle of 2 courses for less than the price of 1 course with the code 241. You'll find the links in the description and in the pinned comment.